The Handy Portable Nightlight. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Handy Portable Nightlight by WITTI. This is a unique light with a few features. This can be used in a closet, stairs, bathroom, hallway, and many more. It comes in two colors, black and white. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The light comes with a micro USB cable for charging. It's rated at 1.2 watts and a battery capacity of 1800 milliamps. It can last up to 90 days in standby. The motion feature has a distance of about 3 meters with a 120-degree detection angle. There are two color options as mentioned, the black and the white. The light is well built and weighs in at 110 grams. It's plastic construction all around and has 6 LED with a 65 lumen brightness. It also has a motion sensor on the bottom. The back is magnetic with a mounting plate that can be installed using the 3M adhesive. The charging port is located on the bottom, and the switch mode to toggle from on, off, and motion. The white version has the same nice finish as well. Everything the same. 6 LEDs, motion sensor, and the back has the controls. It comes in at about 1.5 inches wide and a length of less than 6.5 inches. Now testing out the motion sensor. I set the setting on both lights to motion. As you can see, it's very responsive and it works well. The lights will stay on for 20 seconds. And just a quick test of the brightness. You can see as I light this frame. It has a good amount of light and it lights the space pretty well. The Handy Portable Nightlight, a unique light that can be used in many different ways. It can be used in the bedroom, stairs, bathroom, and garage as some examples. I like the motion feature along with the rechargeable battery, and it has a good standby time. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.